I'm Rosemary Green. I'm the branch manager here at the Clover Hill Library, and we have very exciting news to share with you. So in November, Clover Hill Library is going to be getting new carpeting that we are very excited about. Clover Hill Library is going to be closed from Monday, November 11th and reopen on Monday, November 18th at 10 a.m. So this does mean that there's going to be some movement. Actually, our book drop will have to be closed for the week. Patrons can still return books to nearby libraries such as La Prade or Midlothian or North Courthouse, any of the branches at Chesterfield County Public Library. So for our patrons who have things on hold, those are going to be at the La Prade Library, which is right down Hull Street Road, about 10-15 minutes towards Richmond. Another thing that will affect our customers here is that our programs are obviously going to be canceled for that week. So all of our story times, that is our pajama story time, our Mother Goose story time, our toddler story time, and our early literacy story time are all going to be canceled for that week. Music and movement and our pause to read programs are also going to be canceled. We are going to be able to still have our Clover Hill Critics, which is our book discussion group for adults. It's going to be held at the same day and time as normal, so that's Friday, November 15th, but it's going to be hosted at the Midlothian Library. For our patrons who want to visit other libraries in the area, they can go to our website to the events calendar. We do have other recommendations for them of different story times and events throughout that week for them.